Hello and welcome to Arabic language lessons. This is lesson 4 and 20, the Moarrab and the Mebnee from the names. الدرس 24 المعرب والمبني من الأسماء. As usual, we begin by saying Assalamu alaikum. Previously we've mentioned that ism is Moarrab, but sometimes it's Mebnee, and harf is always Mebnee. And what we mean when we say that ism is originally Mu'rab is that by the rule it's Mu'rab, but sometimes there's an exception to that rule and the name becomes Mebni. And that exception is by relation to the harf. Names that resemble the harf are Mebni. Names resemble the meaning letter in 4 ways. One of it's the 4 characteristics that we mentioned in lesson 21. So the first one is form resemblance, 1 or 2 letters. Second one is meaning or use resemblance. For example, if there's a meaning letter that means something, and there's a name that means the same thing. Third one is acting resemblance. What I mean is, remember when I said about the meaning letter, that it influences, but it does not get influenced. The last one, the fourth one, is deficiency resemblance. Remember that the meaning letter needs a connection. You cannot say it by itself when we use the example be, meaning with. Same thing, if there's a name that has that same deficiency, then it acts like a meaning letter and it's Mebni. Now that we learned the 4 ways a name can resemble a meaning letter, we will learn the Mebni names, who those names are. First one is ما أشبه الحرف وضعا الضمائر, what resembles the letter in form. That's pronouns. Here we have an example of an attached pronoun, جئت. The ta here is called the ta of fa'il, and we will learn more about pronouns when we have a lesson just for pronouns. Second is, that means he came. So the ta is used for the action doer, the fa'il. Alright, let's continue. 2. إثنان ما أشبه الحرف معنى, what resembles the letter in use and meaning, use or meaning. And those are أسماء الشرط, conditional names, أسماء الإشارة, pointing names, أسماء الاستفهام, questioning names. And I have here 2 examples. One of them is متى, which means when, and this one can be used as a questioning name, like saying متى جئت, when did you come, or it could be used as a conditional name, as in متى تقم أقم, when you get up, I will get up, right? And اسم الإشارة, we dealt with this when we dealt with هذا and هذه. Here we have هنا, which means here. Third one is ما أشبه الحرف نيابة, what resembles the letter in acting. This one is أسماء الأفعال, names of actions. And we have one example here called حذاري, means watch out. And it comes from the verb or action احذر. Fourth and last one is ما أشبه الحرف افتقارا, what resembles the letter in deficiency. And those ones are called أسماء الموصول, the connected names. Remember, we have the example here is الذي, and by itself it doesn't mean anything, right? It means the one that, so you cannot just say it by itself. This is the deficiency. You have to connect it with something. So it's like the one that I know, right? الذي أعرفه. So it needs something. With the fourth and last one, we can say that we finished the Mebni from the names. We have now the Mu'rab from the names. We can say everything else other than the 4 what we mentioned is Mu'rab. Or we can say هو ما سلم من شبه حرف المعنى, the one that is safe from resembling the meaning letter. Now this is like a good definition for it. Also, I want to mention that I left some Arabic notes here that I used. I used this example, the one that I know, الذي أعرفه, so I put it here. Also, I said another example that wasn't written, and it's here. متى تقم أقم. متى جاء فلان. So it's here for you. Other than that, this was our lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like the video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And until next time, مع السلامة.